Feeling under the weather, stressed, achy, or can't sleep? Before you reach for pills, try nature's original remedy, essential oils. Today, we'll uncover 5 powerful essential oils scientifically proven to tackle common health problems like headaches, stress, insomnia, and more. Stick around, you might just discover your new favorite remedy. First up, lavender oil. Known as nature's relaxation powerhouse, lavender oil helps with anxiety, stress, and even insomnia. Inhaling its scent can lower cortisol, the stress hormone, within minutes. Got a headache or tense muscles? A gentle temple massage with diluted lavender oil can ease the pain, scientifically proven to work just as well as some over-the-counter pain relievers. Next, meet the cooling champion, peppermint oil. It's rich in menthol, which can reduce headaches and tension by boosting circulation. Apply a diluted drop to your temples and neck. You'll feel an instant cooling sensation. Studies show peppermint oil can relieve migraines faster than some pain meds without the side effects. Struggling with sinus congestion or colds? Eucalyptus oil is your go-to. Its active compound, cineole, works as a natural decongestant. Add a few drops to steaming water, inhale deeply, and feel your airways clear. Clinical studies confirm its ability to reduce sinus pressure and improve breathing within minutes. Ever dealt with skin breakouts or infections? Look no further than tea tree oil. Its antimicrobial powers help fight acne, cuts, and even fungal infections. A recent study found it just as effective as prescription creams for mild acne. Dab a diluted drop on blemishes and let nature do its thing. Finally, chamomile oil, your ticket to stress relief and better sleep. Its calming properties reduce anxiety, muscle tension, and even inflammation. Add a few drops to your bath or diffuse it before bed for a more restful night. Scientific studies confirm its relaxing effect is as strong as some prescription sedatives. And there you have it, 5 essential oils backed by science for common health problems. Ready to ditch the pills and try nature's remedies? Like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Drop a comment below. What oil are you excited to try next? Curious about more natural health tips? Check out our other videos here for more game-changing natural remedies for your wellness journey. Until next time, stay healthy and naturally balanced.